Welcome to the Scottish National Advanced Heart Failure Service. The SNAF service is based within the Golden Jubilee National Hospital in Clydebank. You have been referred to our service by your local NHS board for specialist assessment by the SNAF's team. And this short video will explain the procedures. Cardiopulmonary exercise test, CPET for short. This takes approximately 1 hour. This test is used to assess the performance of the heart and lungs at rest and during exercise. You will be required to perform mild exercise on an upright bicycle whilst breathing through a mouthpiece. The capacity and strength of your lungs is measured before and during exercise. The heart tracing, your ECG, will also be recorded prior to, during and post-exercise. DEXA Scan. This test is approximately 30 minutes. This is an X-ray scan where you will lie flat on a table. Some of the medication you would be required to take after a transplant can weaken your bones. The purpose of a DEXA scan is to assess whether your bones are weak and/or at risk of fracture. It also helps your doctor diagnose osteoporosis. Right heart catheterization. This test takes approximately 45 minutes and is done on our ward. A hollow catheter or tube is placed into a vein, usually in the neck, and advanced until it reaches the right side of your heart. Local anaesthetic is used to numb the area of skin on your neck. A right heart catheter obtains pressures from various parts of the heart, which can help assist your doctors with the management of your heart failure. Pulmonary function tests. This lasts approximately 30 minutes. This test shows how well your lungs are working. It measures lung volume, capacity, rates of flow and gas exchange. This information can help your doctor determine any lung disorders which could affect your ability to proceed with transplantation. Clinical psychologist. Living with physical health difficulties can be challenging. You will meet with our psychologist to discuss how you're coping with your condition and its treatment. Together you will review your emotional and mental well-being and your needs and preferences for any psychological support. A meeting with the Transplant Coordinator is scheduled for approximately 1 hour. This is an opportunity to meet one of our transplant coordinators and have an informal chat to discuss advanced therapies such as transplantation, and it is an opportunity for you to ask any questions on transplantation and also on your assessment week. Echo and ECG. Echo test provides ultrasound images of your heart. It can provide measurements of your heart function, and this helps to establish how severe the problem is and the likely prognosis, which then helps your doctor decide on appropriate treatment options. And this lasts approximately 30 minutes. Dopplers. This test takes approximately 30 minutes. A carotid Doppler is an ultrasound test to examine the carotid arteries in the neck for narrowing or blockages. Femoral Doppler is an ultrasound test that uses ultrasound to examine the femoral arteries in the lower limbs for narrowing or blockages. Dentist review for approximately 30 minutes. Our dentist will carry out a review of your dental hygiene. This is important for people who have heart problems. They will advise on dental hygiene and any treatment required. When you attend for your assessment week, you will most likely stay on one of our wards, but will be free to come and go out with your appointments. If our wards are full, we would aim to accommodate you in our hotel. Meals are provided if you are on the ward. If you are in the hotel, you will be given meal vouchers which you can use in our hospital canteen. If you choose to dine in the hotel, this would be at your own cost, as would any room service. There is also a coffee shop on our ground floor which sells refreshments, sandwiches, snacks, newspapers and toiletries. Relatives can visit throughout your stay if you wish. We recommend for you to bring comfortable clothes for your stay, something that is easy to take on and off, as this may be required for some of your tests. It may also be worthwhile bringing something to help pass the time, such as a book or an iPad. We hope you've found this video helpful. Please do not hesitate to contact the coordinators between the hours of 8 AM and 4 PM, Monday to Friday, on 0141 951 5023.